Now let us to teach you how to use the electric decoiler. First step to connect the electric wire with the power supply, and the second step to connect this with the 3D wire bending machine. Now let me introduce the button of the machine. This is a manual type. Then we press this button. It is the forward transmission, and if we press this button, it is reverse. Let me change to this automatic type. If this is this way, forward, and it will turn automatic like this way. And now we change to reverse rotation. It will be turn like this way. Okay. If it is close together, it will stop automatically. Okay.